Okay, so we'll see the continuation of the last class. Okay, so on the day, what we saw is right. We saw a post, right? We saw the API method post. Okay, so we have right. We checked with an URI, right? A change to test automation. Then we sent a body in the code. Okay, we sent a body in the code, and we check the status, and we check the response on the right request and the response, right? We checked it and we validated that one. So we'll see the next one. We'll see today regarding with the this one, right? We'll see the put and the update and the get. We'll see. Okay. So now I will go to the next resource. Okay. We'll see with the put request. Okay. Now we'll see the same. We'll create a method and with the test ng. Okay, we'll create our test, right? Our test ng annotation there. Then we'll use the same rest assured equal to the we'll initialize the URI which we are going to automate. Can we do with our okay, we use our URI now, change to test automation. Okay. You copy and paste the URI now. Okay. Next, right? Rest assured dot given. Okay. Then we log all. Then we'll pass the body there. Now, right? Then we'll go for the when, right? When put. Okay, then we'll pass a resource now. And then we'll give the then. Okay. Then we log all. Then we'll log the status code. Now, right? You got the 200 okay, right? Okay. Now we'll run again. I think we'll run again now. We are updating the body now. We are changing the ID and we are changing the author name. Okay, just we saw some 4 methods, right? Input means you are going to update a resource, right? So I'm changing the author name now. I'm checking whether it's updating or not. Can you run that now? If you see, right, it's getting updated. You can see the body, right? And you see, right, data updated successfully. Okay. So this is how you should update. Okay. So as I told you, post is for creating a resource. Okay. Get is for checking right? So we start put now we'll get and see. Okay, now right. Okay, now we'll go for the next class. Okay, get it. Next shoot again. We'll give the URI. Okay. We'll try and see. Okay, with the ID. We'll pass a parameter there ID. Okay, and value 6. Then when we'll give the resource. Okay, then your resource then. Okay, then we'll log the results, right? Then the status code. Now we'll run the code. So we now what you're doing is what ID which we updated, we are getting driving and seeing here. Okay, with the help of the query parameter. We updated ID name, new author name, right? That we'll retrieve and see here. Okay, we can run the code. Now you can see, right? ID 6, author name, new author, and pass get place, right? It's updated now. Okay, you can see the response and the body, right? Right, request the response, you can see, right? So this is how we should do the get. Okay, so we saw now post, we saw now put, and we saw now get also. Next, the last method we'll see the delete method. Okay, public void delete place, right? We are giving the same URI here. Okay. Okay. Now we are giving the given condition. Okay, then we'll log all. Okay, then we'll go for right query param now, right? We'll go for the query param. Right? What resource you are going to do? What right ID you are going to delete that you are going to give now. Okay, ID. Right, the JSON we are going to pass here. Body ID equal to 6 now, right? We'll find 6. Okay. Now you are giving the resource here. Yeah, run. Yeah, now run it. So what resource we updated, right? And we tried that with the help of that ID, we are just deleting and saying, okay? Now, right? It's an invalid ID. Now that ID is deleted now. Okay, so we got a response now, right? That ID is been deleted. All right. Okay, and you got the status code 200. Okay, now we'll check in the postman. Okay, so if you check in the postman now, right? See ID equal to 6. If you send it, now message is invalid. Okay, so that ID is been deleted now. Can you get and see this one same with your 6 with the ID 6? Can you get it and see? See, it is 6, right? No postpone. So that 6 ID is being generated now. Okay, so this is how we should do the basic core methods in our with the help of rest assured, get, post, put, and delete. Okay, we'll see the continuation next session. Okay, so this is how is the basic four things, right? This is how we should do the get, post, put, and delete with the help of your rest assured. Okay, that we can cross check with the post one also, like whether it's having the same, it's deleted or get or put updated. We can check that in the post one also. Okay, so see you guys in the next session.